In this video, I'm going to show you a few one-word URLs that are available on Skool.com. And if you happen to be an expert, have some talents, maybe this is something that you're really skillful at and that you would want to have a community on, these are some great URLs that you should definitely grab up. Or maybe you know somebody that would be great at teaching something about this or having a community around it, and you want to let them know that these URLs are available. So I'm going to go ahead and go through them. One way to know whether or not a URL is available is the first thing you can do is you can search. And when you search the URL itself, it'll come up with a 404. To confirm that this one is available, you would just go into your school group settings, go to general, and then there's a place where you can check for changing your URL. Right now you can see that Reddit is available. So that is really cool. If somebody wanted to create like a Reddit account, they would be able to do that. Discord is also available. So you just double check by typing it in. When it shows up green, it is available. Then Threads. So if somebody is teaching about Threads, how to use Threads, and they would be able to claim that, have a whole community on it. That was Threads. Snapchat is available. There's plenty of people that still use Snapchat for business, and it is something like it. Maybe you teach Snapchat ads, go for views, all sorts of different things. You could claim that one. This is crazy. Instagram is available. So if you want to teach something about Instagram, or maybe you're an Instagram manager or whatever, it is available for you to claim. And Twitter. So when Twitter is now actually called X, but a lot of people still call it like Twitter itself. And you can't do a URL that is just X, okay? And so you would have to just use the full Twitter name and still use the old one, but people would still understand what it's about, you know? The next one is Twitch. There's a good amount of people that like to use Twitch, and it is available. So if you are a Twitch streamer or you teach people how to stream on Twitch and monetize from that, or just even get views if it's something that you just enjoy doing, or if you want a place for a bunch of Twitch streamers to get together, you could have the URL Twitch. And WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is something that I have seen a few people talk about, having like WhatsApp groups where they can group chat with people. They use it for marketing. There's a good amount of people that I've seen where they started a WhatsApp group and then you join, and then they, whenever there's a new thing out, they message the whole group, right? So WhatsApp is available if that's something that you're interested in and you want to teach on. So yeah, Skool still has plenty of one-word URLs, and it's totally cool to go on here, check and see if a URL is available. You can confirm it by trying it out. You can also do it by going to create a community. And oh, look, Jesse's here. So when you go to create a community, you can choose to start with a 14-day free trial for either Hobby or Pro. Pro is the one that would have the custom URL. So if you want a custom URL, you have to go with the Pro account, and you can still claim your URL while you're still in the 14-day free trial. So go ahead and do that if you really think that one of these URLs is interesting to you. I will be doing more of these. This time I wanted to kind of go over some of the more popular, I guess, what would you call them, platforms, social media. Those are still available. So, other ones like Facebook, stuff like that, those are already taken, but this is pretty cool. So, and if you decide you want to start a community, I'm going to leave my affiliate link in the description if you would like. But you can also go to What is Skool. It is a free community. And in the classroom, you'll see that I have a build template. And when you click on the build template, you'll get how to use the templates, a checklist, a questionnaire, and templates for the Canva covers. So like your icon, that would be this up here. If you want to have a cover photo, it's right here. Then whatever your about page images, all of those things. So that is available, and you should be able to get that and claim one of these.